Hi everybody, it's me again. Today we're going to start something new in math. It's actually called expressions and equality. In essence, it is algebra, and we touched on this a little bit when we did representing numbers, when we did different number sentences to create certain numbers. For instance, 4 take away 1 was 3, but 2 plus 1 was also 3. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do it through problem solving. So this is what we would have done if we were in class together, okay? So I've kind of improvised. I've borrowed some of my son's toys. I have some of these are orange, and I have some of these, and these are yellow. And I have a big container full of them. And my question to you is, if I reached into this container that had all of these in it, and I pulled out only 5, what sort of combinations of these orange and yellow toys could I get? Okay, so I'm sure one of you would have come up with, let's say, 3 oranges and 2 reds. So in my bag here, that I have 5 of them in, okay, there could be 3 oranges and 2 yellows. So we're going to write that one down. Okay, there could be 3 oranges and 2 yellows. Okay, that's one possibility. Now the number sentence that would go with this one would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, that's one possibility of what could be in my bag. What is another possibility of what could be in my bag? Okay, could be the reverse of this, right? There could be 2 oranges and 3 yellows. Now you'll notice I did not put the 3 yellows first, and I'm going to tell you why. Because if the 3 yellows had been first, I would end up with the exact same number sentence as right here. I would have 3 plus 2 equals 5. I already have that number sentence. So I want to flip the number sentence, which means the 3 was first here, so the 2 needs to be first here, okay? So we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, what is another combination that could be in my bag here? There's only 5 of them in here. What else could be in here? Can you think of one before I give you an answer? How about there could be 4 oranges, and then how many yellows would there be? That's right, there would just be 1 because there's only 5 in the bag. And the number sentence that goes with this? 4 plus 1 more equals 5. Okay, you with me so far? All right, I'm going to push this computer back a little bit so you can see more of my paper. Okay, so this one has 3 oranges, this one has 2 oranges, this one has 4 oranges. What else other combination could we have? How about 1 orange? And if there's only 1 orange in the bag, but there's 5 altogether, how many yellows must there be? That's right, 4. And the number sentence that goes with this one? Yes, we have 1 plus 4 equals 5, which is almost like this one. But you'll notice the 4 is first here. So down here, the 1 is first. These are 2 different number sentences and 2 different combinations that could be in the bag. Okay, still moving on. Give me 1 second. I need to make this up higher for you. Hey, that'll works. Okay, so we could have 3 oranges. We could have 2 oranges. We could have 4 oranges. We could have 1 orange. What else could there be in there? What'd you say? there could be 5 oranges. Now, if there are 5 oranges, if I reached in and I pulled out 5 oranges, then how many yellows are there? That's right, there's none. So this would be a picture of 5 plus 0 equals 5. That's another way I can make 5. Okay? And there's one more way I can make 5. Can you figure it out? Well, let's look up here. We took this one and we flipped it. So 3 and 2 and 2 and 3. Then we took this one and look what we did. We flipped it. We have 4 and 1 and then we have 1 and 4. So what could we do with this one? That's right. Instead of all 5 oranges, there also could be all 5 yellows. And that would make the number sentence. Now be careful, because it is 5, but look what number is first here. 5 plus 0, and the opposite is 0 plus 5. Okay? Now let's see if we can work together and we can figure out what actually is in my bag. Okay? So here's my bag. In here there are 5 of them. Okay? It's a very pretty bag. I think Leah gave me this for Christmas. Hi, Leah. So we're going to go in here and we're going to see what comes out. Okay? I'm just going to stick this over here. I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pull out my first one, which is yellow. Okay. So if one of them is yellow, which combination can it definitely not be? Think about it. It has to have a yellow in it. That's right. It cannot be this one, because this one has all oranges. So it cannot be that one. Cannot. All right, let's see what one comes out next. Okay, this one is yellow again. So we know for sure, the combination has to have 2 yellows in it. So which one can it not be? Could it be this one? Could be. We have 2 yellows here at least. Could it be this one? Could be. We have 2 yellows. Could it be this one? Can't be this one, right? Because this one only has 1 yellow. So this cannot be the combination that is in that bag. Can't be. All right, let's see what comes out next. Come here. Okay. So let's see if I can, you know what? Can I attach these to each other? Maybe I can. Nope, can't do it. Okay, so try to hold these up with one hand. We have 2 yellows and an orange. Okay, so does this one have at least 2 yellows and an orange? Yep. Does this one have at least 2 yellows and an orange? Yep, could be this one still. Could it be this one? 2 yellows and an orange. Could be, could still be. How about this guy? Now that we've introduced orange, can it be this combination? No, it can't be. So this one is out. Okay? Now, excuse me, let's see what's coming next. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, you can see it. Orange. So I now have 2 oranges and 2 yellows. So could it be here? Let's see. 2 oranges, 2 yellows. Could be. That last orange could be in the bag. Could it be this one? 2 yellows, 2 oranges. Could be. That one in the bag could be yellow. Could it be this one? 2 yellows. Can't be 2 oranges. As soon as I pulled out that next orange, it told me it cannot be this one. So it's one of these 2. One of these 2. What do you think it is? I can't hear you, but guess anyway. Which one do you think it is? Okay, let's find out. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna hide it. Okay. If the one I pulled out is orange, then that would be this combination, because then I would have 3 oranges. If the one I pulled out is yellow, then it'll be this combination, because we'll have 3 yellows. Okay, because right now I have 2 oranges and 2 yellows. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. It's yellow. It's yellow. So I have 3 yellows here and only 2 oranges. And which combination was that? This guy. So it is not this guy. This is the combination that was actually in my bag. Now, it doesn't really matter which combination was in my bag. Nobody wins a prize if they guess the right one. All we're doing is we're making all of the possible combinations that could happen for a particular number, okay? So we did 5. Your assignment today is to do 6, the number 6. So when you're finished with this video, go back to the website, go to the Google Classroom, download the question I have for you today, and you're going to come up with all the different combinations there are for the number 6. Okay, and you can come back and watch this video and see how it's done if you need any help. Okay, guys? All right, good luck. Have fun.